I'm going to show you how to make Har Gow dumplings with rice paper.
We're all familiar with rice paper. They're essential to make spring rolls. They're naturally gluten-free. I'll show you how to use them to make super simple versions of Har Gow dumplings and also delicious shrimp pancakes. These are dim sum. Their name means little sweets of the heart. We love to enjoy them with tea. I'll also show you how to prepare it. I'll first show you an extremely simple and delicious dish, shrimp pancakes. To make 5 pancakes, put in a large bowl 5 ounces of frozen raw or cooked shrimp. Add 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing rice wine, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, and a little ground pepper. Mix well. Slice a spring onion. Add it, then mix again. Spread a little vegetable oil on a plate. I'll use it for steaming the pancakes. Use rice paper for spring rolls. In addition to rice flour, they contain a little tapioca starch, which gives them a chewy texture after cooking. Place a damp, wrung-out cloth on the work surface. Soak a rice paper in very hot water, about 140 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 4 seconds. Then place it on the cloth. It will soften in a few seconds. Place 3 shrimp on the paper. When the paper has softened, fold the 2 sides towards the center. Then simply fold the rest over. Place the pancake on the oiled plate and spread it well with oil to prevent it from sticking to the other pancakes. We can layer them, or better, cook them on a larger plate in a larger cooking basket. Prepare the sauce to accompany the pancakes. Combine 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. Mix well. The sauce is ready. We'll steam the pancakes later at the same time as the Har Gow. I'll now show you a version of Har Gow dumplings using the same rice papers. For the filling, take 2 ounces of bamboo shoots. They bring crunch and a nice flavor. You can also make your Har Gow without them. Cut them into very small cubes. With the remaining bamboo shoots, you can make a delicious stir-fry dish with a little meat. Put them in a small saucepan with water and boil for 10 minutes to remove the bitterness. Then drain them, rinse them with water, and let them drain. Take 1 pound of chicken thighs. Remove the skin and bones, leaving about 1/2 pound of meat. Cut them into pieces. Then chop them very finely. Put them in a large bowl. For the shrimp, you can use 5 ounces of raw peeled shrimp or cooked shrimp. Here, I'm making the recipe with cooked shrimp. Peel them to get 5 ounces. Keep the heads and shell to make broth for another meal. Start chopping the shrimp. Add half of the already chopped chicken to help blend the shrimp finely. We get a very fine texture. Put it with the remaining of the ground chicken. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1/2 teaspoon. And add it. Also add 1/2 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine and 1/2 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. Mix until getting a sticky stuffing. To get the right Har Gow texture, it's important to use chicken thighs. Their meat is tender and a little elastic. The stuffing is sticky. Now add 1 egg white. Mix until getting it sticky again. Add 1 tablespoon of potato or corn starch. Mix well. The egg white helps bind all the ingredients together. It also adds a softness to the stuffing. The starch retains the moisture of the shrimp and the chicken during cooking. The end result will be a soft and elastic texture, which is what we're looking for. Add the bamboo shoots. Slice 2 spring onions. Add them too. And mix well again. Here again, we use rice papers for spring rolls. Traditionally, the Har Gow dough is made from wheat starch mixed with other starches. It gives it its translucent and soft texture. But this wheat starch is difficult to find. With rice paper, we have a simple, quick, and affordable alternative. Plus, they store easily and for a long time. Cut them in half. Oil the steamer basket to prevent the Har Gow from sticking. Any kind of steamer works. Keep a damp, wrung-out cloth on the table. Soak half a rice paper in very hot water, about 140 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 4 seconds only. Then place it on the cloth. After about 20 seconds, when the paper has softened, fold the two ends towards the center like this. Then place half a tablespoon of stuffing in the center. Simply enclose the stuffing inside the rice paper and gather the rest of the paper around, forming a small pouch. Place the Har Gow in the steamer basket. Continue making dumplings. As soon as there's room on the cloth, place another half paper on it. While it softens, make the other Har Gow. With this amount of stuffing, we get about 40 Har Gow. Now our dim sum dumplings are ready to cook. Place the plate of shrimp pancakes in a steamer basket. Stack the basket with the Har Gow dumplings and steam for 7 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare tea to accompany the dim sum. This is called yam cha in Cantonese, meaning drinking tea. For a teapot for 4 people, put 1 tablespoon of tea. Here, I use oolong tea. Its leaves are rolled into small, compact balls. Put them in the teapot's infuser filter. Pour 3 cups boiling water over them. The packaging recommends using 200-degree water, but I always use 212-degree water. I get a strong and very fragrant tea. Let it infuse for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the tea leaves. They can be used a second time. The infusion will be lighter but still fragrant. After 7 minutes of steaming, our dumplings and pancakes are ready. Bon appétit! Traditionally, dim sum can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Here, contrary to tradition, we eat them as a complete meal with rice. Let's eat the Har Gow dumplings with sriracha chili sauce. These reimagined Har Gow are quick and easy to make. Their texture is bouncy and chewy. Let's drizzle the pancake with the little sauce we made. The pancake is very tasty. It's really simple and quick to make. Everyone loves it. Here are some key points to remind. Use rice paper instead of traditional Har Gow and pancake dough. Get a chewy texture for the Har Gow thanks to the ingredients and the preparation of the stuffing. Steaming makes the rice papers tender and elastic. You can make your Har Gow dumplings and pancakes in advance and reheat them in a steamer for 5 minutes. Rice papers are a key ingredient in Vietnamese cuisine. We always have some in our cupboards. We eat them uncooked in fresh spring rolls or fried as crispy spring rolls. Here, we go beyond the boundaries and use them in a new way, steamed. They are tender and elastic, a pleasure to eat. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish.